Upon receiving a Dell Latitude laptop, the box usually comes in a sturdy packaging with the Dell logo. Opening it reveals the laptop snugly nestled in protective materials. Beneath the laptop, you'll find the accessories such as the charger, user manual, and perhaps additional items depending on the model. The laptop itself is carefully designed, often with a sleek and professional appearance typical of the Latitude series. Removing the protective covering reveals the laptop's screen, keyboard, and touchpad. Users may find various ports, a power button, and sometimes a fingerprint scanner or other security features.
Specifications for the Dell Latitude 3520 laptop. Processor. It typically comes with Intel's 11th Gen Core i3, i5, i7 processors. RAM. It can support up to 32 GB DDR4 RAM. Storage. Offers various configurations from 128 GB SSD to 1 TB SSD. Display. Generally equipped with a 15.6-inch FHD 1920x1080 anti-glare display. Graphics. Integrated Intel UHD graphics. Ports. Includes USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and a headphone-microphone combo jack. Battery life. Varies based on usage, but it typically offers decent battery life. Operating system. Usually comes with Windows 10 or Windows 11 pre-installed.
The Dell Latitude series is known for its high-quality, durable, and reliable business-oriented laptops. They typically feature sturdy designs, long battery life, and robust security features. These laptops are often used in professional settings due to their performance and manageability options.
Now I install Windows 10 Pro in this laptop. Firstly, you need a bootable pen drive. Insert this pen drive in USB port. Then press F12 for Dell series. For HP laptop, press F9 button, then follow my video. Select your drive that you want to install Windows in this drive. Then delete drive space and click Next. Now wait to proceed. Now your Windows done. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel.